If you're seeing the Setup Wizard ended prematurely error when trying to install the Epic Games launcher, don't worry. You can fix this in under a minute. First, make sure you've downloaded the installer directly from the Epic Games website, because running it the usual way often causes that annoying error. All right, to fix the issue, click the search bar at the bottom of your screen, type Task Manager, and open it. Once you're inside, go ahead and click Run New Task at the top. In the new window that appears, click Browse. Now, navigate to the folder where you saved the Epic Games setup file. Here's a little trick. At the bottom right, change the filter from Programs to All Files. That way, you'll actually see the installer. Once you spot the Epic installer file, select it and click Open. But before you hit OK, make sure to check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. Now, click OK, and the installer should start, this time with the proper admin rights. This should allow the setup to run smoothly. Install any required DirectX updates and complete the installation without throwing that same error. And once that's done, you can finally log in and jump back into your games.